Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? No, I don't be owl. Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? I'm a pig. How are you today? Hello.
Well, she was very pretty.
How are you?
Oh, I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine, really. How are you?
Pretty bird.
Yes, you are a very pretty bird. But let's get...
Hi. 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 Hi.
I don't know why people are so afraid to pet birds. Like, I promise you guys, they're really gentle. If you let yourself do it, it's like a really serene and beautiful experience. I just don't know what people think could go wrong.
Hey, Mufasa. Oh my God! You better kill it! You better kill it! Show me something! Oh, see it, savage! Hey! Go!
Shut up!
You! Why do I have to shut?
You be quiet!
You be quiet!
You shut up!
Oh, you gonna drag me now? I will drag you. You gonna drag me? I'll drag you. Oh, drag me, Monique. All right, drag me. No, drag me. Please don't. Please don't. Do it.
People on TikTok go viral for literally the dumbest reasons possible. Like, watch this. That was just 1,000 views.
Oh, hi there, friend. It's me, your human. I take care of yous, cause you're a little baby. Let me give you your boops. Boop.
Hello? What's up? Hello?
Really, Blue? No. You can't get out yet. And I told him not to bring his claws out, too. Boo Boo, no. Okay. No. Mm-mm. You almost done.
That's right.
Berlin. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say meow.
Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Thanks. You're fine.
Whatever. No.
It's okay. It's okay.
Hey, yes, come on. Come on, get up. You don't want to go
do.